Before we dive in, make sure to check out NordVPN. Link in the description below to stay safe online. Looking for home internet without cables or contracts? Starlink and T-Mobile 5G are two wireless giants, but they serve very different needs, so which one's right for you? Starlink uses low-orbit satellites to deliver internet anywhere, even in the middle of nowhere. T-Mobile 5G, on the other hand, relies on ground-based towers to beam internet to homes in urban and suburban areas. If you're in a rural or remote area, Starlink is often your only high-speed option. It works where fiber and 5G can't reach, and the speeds are surprisingly solid for satellite. No data caps and no long-term contracts. T-Mobile's 5G is much cheaper and setup is easier. Plug in a gateway and you're online in minutes. In cities and suburbs, users report stable speeds, low latency, and no need for a dish on your roof. Starlink's biggest downside is price. It's expensive upfront and monthly, and performance can dip during bad weather or heavy congestion. T-Mobile's 5G, while cheaper, struggles in crowded areas or homes far from towers. Speeds can vary day to day, and some users hit unexpected throttling. I'd say if you're off the grid or in a dead zone, Starlink is a lifeline. But if you've got decent 5G coverage, T-Mobile is way more affordable and much easier to maintain. Hit like if this video helped, and let me know in the comments which one you trust to keep your home online. Don't forget to subscribe and use the code in the description to join NordVPN.